Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, after a pretty nice day today, it looks like precipitation on the way for this weekend, and it will come in a variety of types and certainly location dependent as far as the amounts and precipitation type. Doppler radar locally, we're doing fine. Skies are clear or clear to partly cloudy. We are dry, seasonably cold, no rain, snow, sleet, ice. At least not yet, but we do have that mixture on the way. Here's how it breaks down. The snow and sleet arriving just after 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, which means a better part of the daylight hours of tomorrow. It's actually dry. Some minor accumulations of ice and snow inland. I'll show you those numbers in a few minutes. And once the snow changes over to freezing rain, we see some icing points north and west of Providence. I'm concerned about the freezing rain potential for several hours around this time tomorrow evening. But even in areas where you have frozen precipitation, it will change to plain rain later tomorrow night as the entire area is overwhelmed with milder air. And that'll really kick in on Sunday, an unseasonably warm day Sunday, windy with rain showers, no ice or snow. Now, the winter weather advisory for areas Providence north and the areas shaded in pink, this is the best chance of having some leftover cold air and some frozen precipitation. Kicks in at 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. But even in these areas, a change to plain rain is likely. More on that in just a second. Clear skies in Providence right now. Temperatures in the upper 20s to low 30s, including 30 in Providence. Many areas heading into the mid-20s during the overnight hours. Smithfield down to 28, Worcester 27, and low 30s along the South Shore. So regionally, New England view, just some clouds off to our west, but dry for now. Had those snow squalls in New Hampshire earlier this morning. As we widen out the view, you can see the moisture coming up from the south. Quite a bit of it on Doppler radar right now. I can show you right in here. And this will track north and east. Now, initially, the air is cold overhead, so when this arrives tomorrow afternoon, late in the day, it'll start off in the form of some snow and some sleet. Futurecast shows us well, get in real close. Take a look at it hour by hour, starting off tonight with the clear skies, dry and chilly conditions. Now, tomorrow morning, we could actually see a little bit of filtered sunshine as a dry start. Notice the thicker clouds during the afternoon. 2 o'clock, we're still dry, but by late day around sunset and thereafter, snow developing with rain denoted in green mixing in along the South Shore. And then by tomorrow evening, I would say south of Providence, it's changing over to all rain, but still some frozen precipitation to the north. And then even up here by later tomorrow night, changing over to plain rain, and that rain will extend into Sunday. So whatever collects on the ground will actually wash away later tomorrow night. So before the changeover, away from the coast, a coating to 1 inch, and then north and west of that through the Mass Pike and Worcester, 1 to 3. Now, when the snow changes over to freezing rain, this is a real concern here for some icing in the northwest corner of the state tomorrow evening. In other words, plain raindrops coming out of the sky, but the ground is still below freezing, so there'll be a 2 to 3 hour period of some icing, so untreated surfaces will become very slippery. So dry tomorrow morning, 7 a.m., 26, cloudy in the afternoon. Your mixture arriving late day into the early evening hours. Threat tracker, of course, low tonight in the moderate category for tomorrow. Now, travel, giving it the green light tomorrow morning up until noontime, no travel problems, but yellow caution light by tomorrow evening. So if you're heading out, just common sense stuff, go easy on the gas pedal as untreated surfaces become slippery. It is warm. There's no ice and snow on Sunday, but rain showers, windy, 58. Some of the coldest air of the season setting up for next week. Even a small accumulation of light snow with a weak weather system on Tuesday. And the core of the real cold is Wednesday night into Thursday. Look at the high temperatures on Thursday. Struggle to get to 20 and nighttime temperatures in the single digits. A little taste of winter tomorrow evening, and then again next week. You can download our brand new WPRI Channel 12 weather app on your tablets and on your smartphones as well. Some real cool stuff on that. Be careful tomorrow evening, tomorrow night.
All right, will do. Thank you very much.